IRS debt? If you can't afford to pay your IRS debt due to economic hardship, you can now be free of IRS collection efforts by taking advantage of a special IRS tax hardship program. This program allows Americans who owe the IRS to resolve their delinquent tax debt once and for all. In some cases, maybe even
Watch it.
who owe significantly.
You all right?
Phone line has been established by Community Tax.
You all right?
Consumers to call and see if
Okay.
you qualify. Simply dial
These drivers, man.
854-9341. If you owe back taxes to the
We almost there though. We gotta go up there, right?
Go to Cyprus. When you go to Cyprus, so
All right. Just stay focused, love.
let me see if there's no,
800-524-9341 for the help
How
that
you
you
say it?
need. Don't take
Ah.
the IRS alone. They can
Just stay
assist
focused.
wages, savings,
It's down there though.
even your social security.
All right.
That's
you go straight,
800-524-9341
okay?
to see if
All
you
right.
qualify.